Good morning, students. I feel like I'm meeting you after so many days because in our previous sessions we have completed our PDF files. So hope that you are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to start with a very interesting topic. The topic's name is the solar system. Okay, lesson number 15, the solar system. In solar system, it is like a family. Okay, as we have a family, the planets also have family in space. And who's the head of the family out there? Sun is the head of the family out there. As we have head of the family, like your father is the head of the family, there in space, Sun is the head of the family. And who are the members? The planets are the members of the solar system or the solar family. Okay, let us learn about the names of the planets first. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, these are the 8 family members of the solar system. As we have a family, we have our family members. In the same way, there in the space also there is a family, and that family is the solar system or the solar family. Okay, Sun is the head of the family, and these 8 planets form the family members of the solar system. Okay, so now what are planets? Planets are heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies, what is the meaning of that? Heavenly bodies are natural objects which can be seen in the sky. Okay, natural objects means we are not making them. They are there in the space from beginning. Okay, and which can be seen in the sky. Example, you can say sun, moon. These are the heavenly bodies which we can see. Okay, now let us start with the lesson. First we will see the reflect part which is there. You can see 2 pictures are there. In one picture, in the first picture you will see the sun is there which is shining brightly. And in the next picture you will see the moon is there and the stars are shining. So we can easily understand that the first picture is representing the daytime and the next picture or the second picture is representing the night time. As the sun is there, that means it is day, and in the next picture the moon is there, the stars are there, that means it is night. Okay class, so this is the daytime and this is the night time. Okay, so let us move to the reading part of the lesson. When you look at the sky, you see the sun, the moon and the stars. They are natural objects and are also called heavenly bodies. As I said you before only, heavenly bodies are natural objects which can be seen in the sky, like the sun, the moon, okay, and the stars. Solar system. There are many heavenly bodies that move around the sun. One thing you should keep in mind that the sun stays at one place only. It doesn't move. All the other planets take round of the sun, means they move around the sun. Every planet has a fixed path, means they have a fixed way where they move, and that path is an orbit. Okay, suppose that when you have to go down, you take your stairs only. That is a fixed path that you have to take. In the same way, when the planets move around the sun, they also move in a fixed path, and that is an orbit. That path is called the orbit. So there are many heavenly bodies that move around the sun, means there are many heavenly bodies that is moving around the sun. The sun and its family of 8 planets, their satellites and also pieces of rocks, dust and gases form the solar system. Now what are the things which are there in the solar system? First, 8 planets are there, satellites are there, rocks, dust particles, everything is there in the space, and that is forming the solar system. Now first we are going to read about the sun, means the head of the family. The sun is a star which is closest to the earth. So the sun is a star which is closest to the earth. It is a ball of hot burning gases, and all the planets in our solar system move around it. Means sun is made up of hot burning gases. Okay, and all the planets are moving around it. Other stars appear in the night sky, but the sun is visible to us because it is so close. We can see the stars only at the night time. We don't see them in the daytime. Okay, and the sun is very close to us, that's why we can see it in the morning time. It gives us heat and light. If there was no sun, the earth would be very dark and cold with no life on it. So earth is getting heat and light from what? From the sun. Okay, so sun is providing the heat and light to earth. If sun was not providing the heat and light to earth, then there would be no life on earth. Nobody was there on earth. We will not be able to live here. As we are getting heat and light from the sun, that's why life is possible on earth. It is the heat and light from the sun that makes life possible on earth. Okay. Now let us read about the planets. As I said you, planets are the heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies means the natural objects that are visible to us. A planet is a heavenly body that travels around the sun in a fixed path. The path the planets follow go around the sun is called an orbit. As I explained you, all the planets have their fixed path, fixed way where they move, and that path is called an orbit. You can see it in this picture also. It is very clear. The sun is here, okay, and these lines you can see, these are the paths of the planets. So these are the orbit. Okay, the time a planet takes to complete one orbit is equal to a year on that planet. So each planet takes their own time to complete the circle. Okay, so whatever time is taken by that particular planet represents a year in that planet only. Okay, suppose that we take example of Earth. We all know that in a year there are 365 1/4 day. Okay, so Earth takes this much time to complete one orbit around the sun. Suppose that sun is there, the Earth has started moving, and to complete this whole circle, the Earth is going to take 365 1/4 day. So on Earth, 1 year equals to 365 1/4 days. It is about the Earth only. Okay, different planets take different time. Okay, for them that is equals to 1 year. So for example, Earth completes one orbit every 365 days. So year on Earth is that long. Okay, for Earth 1 year equals to 365 1/4 day. The 8 planets of our solar system are in order of closeness to the sun. You must remember that I have written the name of the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth. Okay, then what? Mercury, Venus, Earth, then Mars, okay, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and then Neptune. So these are the planets according to the closeness of the sun, means the distance from the sun. According to that, these planets have been numbered. Okay, before moving forward, first let us solve the DIY and the figure out. Okay, first we will do the DIY. Look at this picture and answer the following questions. How many planets are there in the solar system? So the solar family consists of 8 planets. The solar family. Okay, then are they all alike? Obviously not. They are not alike. They are different. So what differences can you see between the planets? We can say that they are different in sizes and color. All the planets which are there in the solar family are of different size and are of different colors. Okay. Next question is name any 3, whichever you like. I am taking Earth, Venus, Saturn. You can take any 3 planets which you like. Okay. Okay, next question is figure out. In figure out, what are sunspots? Now what are spots? Means dark spots are there. Dark bolte हैं इसको. Those are spots. Suppose that on bed sheet, if the tea has fallen down, it will leave a spot. Okay. So what are sunspots? As we are talking about the spots on the sun, that means they are there on the sun only. So what will be the answer for this? Sunspots are dark spots that are found on the surface of the sun. As we are talking about the sunspots, that means the spots which are found on the sun, means dark spots which are found on the surface of the sun are the sunspots. Okay class, so we will stop here only today. So whatever we have covered in today's session, kindly read it, and by the end of the lesson I am also going to forward you a video where you can see the solar system. It will be very clear to you when you see the video. Okay, so that's it for today's session. Thank you class.